Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 4th, 2025. Most Asia Pacific markets are down today, which is understandable because investors are still trying to make sense and awaiting details about US trade deals as President Trump's tariff deadlines draws near, which is July the 9th. And no such thing at the KSE100 though, as bull market season rolls on. KSE is up again, 1262 points today. So let's take a closer look at what's happening. So this is where we stand today. A rise of 1262 points, even as the rest of Asia Pacific was engulfed in uncertainty and volatility stemming from trade deals ahead of Donald Trump's July 9 tariff deadline. But this is what's important. Take a look at the ADX. The biggest concern today was that if there was a red candle today, it could have formed what is called an evening star doji, an evening top doji candlestick. It looks something like this. It's a green candle, then there's a spinning top or a doji, and if there's a red candle the other day, it can mean a short-term reversal pattern, something like this, at least for the short term. That was the biggest concern going into today's trading day, but that did not happen. The market is flush with momentum. The market is building now also a trend. If we've been watching the ADX for the last few days, and it has been inching up, and finally now it has crossed 20. So it means that it's a very solid, strong uptrend on the daily chart. The index is above all moving averages. The index is at a historic high. The index is full of momentum, and now a trend has been established. We've been watching this trend establish more strongly on the lower time frame charts, and now it has also come on the daily chart as we've been watching over the past week. Let's take a look at the lower time frames now. This is a 3-hour chart. The RSI is higher, the ADX is much higher, much more solid trend. On the 1-hour chart, though, it has begun to level off, and the trend is now moving sideways, which is very, very typical actually in a market movement of this sort. It has been making a new record high. There has to be some sort of consolidation over here. It is still pretty strong right now, but the market remains very fundamentally strong. If you take a look at these smaller time frame charts also. The point is that the KSE has been unfazed and unscathed by the wider volatility and uncertainty in Asia Pacific. It continues to move on its own fundamentals, now free of exogenous factors that had been holding it down for the last couple of months. And right now, above all major moving averages, flush with momentum, now developing a trend. There are no or little headwinds right now in the headwinds or technical barriers, especially to face this uptrend right now. So it's pretty much smooth sailing for the time being. Stay tuned. Thank you.